Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video, real quick, in response to the little 40-second video that I made the other day about the cooling issue on that Cadillac CTS, where the hoses were completely compressed. The system was holding vacuum with coolant in the system. I just want to give you all a little update with what was going on with that. I'm wearing this mask. We're out here in the California fires. I'm not anywhere close, really. It's maybe like 150 miles away or whatever. But we're getting all the smoke. So, anyways, what was going on with that car is, being a Cadillac, it runs dex-cool. It had a leak. The person had been topping it off with non-dex-cool coolant. When I got the system open, well, I initially noticed, when I pressurized the system, that there was a leak coming from the front water outlet flange and the water pump. So I was going to replace both of those, and the thermostat. Open the system up. I knew there was a different coolant in the car, but when I opened it up, the coolant had gelled up, the mix of the dex-cool with a non-dex-cool coolant. It turned into a gel. There wasn't full flow in the system, causing the vacuum. The water pump was working fine, also creating back pressure. And so I flushed the whole system out using a hose. After I drained it, I tried to run high pressure through the system to clean everything out. And I think this one is good. We warned the customer that there may be buildup in the radiator, and they may also need further repairs other than that. But what I did was just the thermostat, that outlet flange, and the water pump. And I did a whole bunch of other work to the car too. That was that for that. It seemed to be running good. It wasn't overheating. It wasn't leaking. Everything appeared to be good. It had flow. That CTS model, they have the what is it? It's like the plastic reservoir, the clear plastic reservoir. Before, when the system was having those issues, when the car would be running, the little tiny hose that's like as big as a pencil that goes from the radiator to that reservoir that's supposed to be shooting water out at all times. That's the water flowing through the system, and it wasn't doing that before. But we had flow through that at the end of the day. So I think that's going to be it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, wonderful remainder of your day, and I'll catch you later on the next one.